Thick cream 500 milliliters. Condensed milk 390 grams. Mix well until smooth and set aside. Hot milk a half cup. Gelatin 20 grams. Mix well until it turns liquid. Note: if needed, microwave for 40 seconds. Pour the gelatin milk into the cream mixture. Mix well until everything is combined. Lightly brush a bundt pan with butter. Pour the cream mixture in and refrigerate for 3 hours. Strawberry Jello mix for sachets. Add 4 cups hot water. Mix well and let it cool down completely to room temperature. Pour the Jello mix over. Carefully separate the white layer from the sides of the pan. Pour the Jello mix all over. You'll notice that the white layer will float over the Jello. Refrigerate again for another 5 hours or overnight to set completely. Flip it into a serving plate. Enjoy!